Hello, hello. This is Els coming to you from Bemis Crafty Corner, and I have some very different adventure for you today. The video that I'm about to show you, Hags and I filmed this evening. We decided to fulfill a promise that I made, and that was to show the strip during the middle of this crisis. And so I went down with Hags. We did film on Fremont, but that did not come out at all. So what I have for you is strips of pieces of some of the major sections of the Las Vegas Strip. They're doing a lot of construction down there right now, so it was a little difficult to maneuver. You cannot park anywhere and walk up and down the strip because the city is and the county is in the process of doing massive deep cleaning. They are literally steam cleaning and power washing all of the sidewalks, all of the balustrades, all of the handrails, moving sidewalks, you name it. They are cleaning it right now, getting it ready. And I have to tell you that as we drove down the strip, there are lights on. Almost all the casinos have lights. They're not lit up as they normally are, but they do have lights on. And they all have their marquees up. And all of the marquees are overwhelming in the Vegas Strong. The show will go on. The darkness will end. And of course, in Vegas, when a show is dark, that means it's down. So if a performer doesn't perform like on a Sunday night and a Monday, the show is dark on Sunday and Monday. So Vegas, dark has a different meaning. But it was an overwhelming show of support. There were not a lot of people down there, very few cars, mostly people crossing the strip to go from one side of town to the other, and a lot of police, a lot of construction workers, a lot of maintenance workers, and just a very different atmosphere from what we usually would see down there, the tens of thousands of people. Even at 1 o'clock in the morning, you would still see, at this time of the year, you would see literally tens of thousands of people. And right now, those people aren't there. So let's take a look.
There's this arrow. We can get a picture of that sign.
You can't even park down here.
Says we look forward to welcoming you back soon. Hashtag community strong. There's just usually more lights than there is. I mean, there's still plenty, but...
Oh, but it's not lit up.
But look at all the rooms and stuff, and all their spotlights are off.
Mm-hmm.
They turned off everything they could control, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever that is, it's totally dark.
That? It's phase 2 of the Encore. And it is under construction, so it would be dark.
Okay, so that's not...
Yep. As soon as we get past, see where the Encore is there? As soon as we get past that, that is the major part of the strip right there.
Okay.
Because this is the Hilton Resorts. It's not the Hilton Hotel, it's the Hilton Resorts.
Right.
That's
and it's
for
pretty
like,
big too.
Yeah, but that's for like people that own apartments and condos.
Okay, so that's like live-in?
Yeah, it's more like that kind of, it's vacation property.
Right. They are destructing everything.
So on the right here, coming up, we have Circus Circus.
Oh, okay.
And you'll be able to see that is all closed down.
I had a date in Circus Circus once.
So there is Circus.
Oh, it's dark. It's totally dark.
Yep.
I had a date in there. We came all the way from Death Valley.
And Slots of Fun. They don't even have doors there at Slots of Fun. They had to just put up tarps.
The McDonald's is open.
Takeout only.
Sorry,
this
it's
is
all
the Venetian over
jiggly.
here, the Palazzo. This is usually just brimming with people, like tens of thousands of people. And there is nobody down here, guys.
This is scary.
You can see the street, you know, from us.
Okay, on the other side is the Treasure Island. I'll try and get that.
Yep. That's Treasure Island. TI, right there. That's normally would be so packed with people because they'd be having
They
the
do a
live
show, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Now, I'd like to point out it is 1 o'clock in the morning.
Doesn't matter. And then we're going to go right over here.
Whee!
And this,
Which way? Right or left?
on the right-hand side here, and I'll
Okay.
go slow. This is the Mirage. And normally, there is a volcano that erupts right out here.
It's all blocked off.
And it is all blocked off. No volcano, no activity. Look on the left here.
Oh, all right.
We're moving down. This is Harrah's on the left. And you can see they have some of the outside signs on, but they all have these concrete barriers up in front, or they have metal balustrades up. Now we're coming up to Caesar's on the right-hand side here. And you can see that Caesar's, again, it's closed up. And you can
There's
see
Planet
the
Hollywood. Yep, there goes the...
as we go through. RuPaul's not there right now. Matter of fact, there's nobody on the street. We are all alone on this street.
Except for construction
Here's the
workers.
Flamingo. It's closed. It's dark.
Yep,
There's Hell's Kitchen.
I've actually been in the Flamingo. There's Hell's Kitchen. Sorry, guys. I'll give you whiplash over here.
Sorry. Okay, so here we are at the light. Now, on the left-hand side is Bally's, and then Paris, and on the right are the famous Bellagio fountains, which are not firing. I will show you as we go through. There is no fountain. We're going to go.
Okay. What do you want me to point at?
Okay, so on the right, as we drive down, this should be the world-famous Bellagio fountains.
And nothing.
And as you can see, nothing. No people, no fountains.
What? Oh.
And over here we have the Paris. Nothing. On the right is the Cosmopolitan. Done.
Wow, it's shiny.
Yeah. And as we come down the street, we're going to stop here on Harmon. That is, on the right-hand side here, we have the Aria. And there's some lights on in that hotel.
Yep, there are.
Yeah. We're going to have New York, New York coming up on the right, which will be the next casino, the next major casino.
Are we almost to the...
It's just through the light. So here is the famous New York, New York. Again, you see there's a heavy police presence along the strip, keeping people out because they can't lock them up. A lot of these casinos do not have any locks on their doors. A lot of them don't have doors.
Here, I'll come over here for you guys.
As we go under the Thunder Pass, you'll be able to get a really good shot of it.
Oh. And there's where I got married.
And there's the Excalibur. And of course, over here, the oldest casino in Vegas, the Tropicana.
We've been in there too. That's where I got married 900 years ago.
Look at the walking overpass. There's not a soul up there.
Nope.
The escalators are all turned off.
Yep.
Now, I do know this. The city of Las Vegas has been working very hard. You've seen a lot of construction. It's not just construction through here. They're actually steam cleaning all of the walkways, all of the stairs, all of the handrails, just balustrades, everything is being steam cleaned along the strip in order to make sure that it's going to be safe going forward.
When it's over, we'll celebrate together. The show will go on.
And that's kind of the sentiment of everybody down here. Oh, look, there's a security guard up there.
Where? Well, there's some right there.
Oh, there's one right there.
Oh.
A little archway, see him?
He's hanging out.
He's hanging out.
He's on film if you... I don't know, it might be easier to see like from a computer screen, but I can't really see in it a lot. It's a lot of glare.
Yeah.
Coming up on the Mandalay Bay.
So this is Excalibur. We're moving to Luxor. And here's a site I thought I'd never see.
What?
Look up. I want you guys to see that. Do you see those? Can you see that at the top of the Luxor? The light?
Oh yeah, there.
Those are bats.
Oh my god, they are.
Those are bats.
I don't know if they can see it on the camera, but I can see it. There, that stream of light right here. There's bats inside there.
And then we come to Mandalay Bay.
And there's Mandalay Bay, guys.
And that's the end of the strip.
I can see the heart now, so they can probably see the heart clearly. And there's the word hope up here. And there's some other stuff further down, but I can't read what it says. Oh, it's just more hearts. There's another heart down there. There you go.
All right, so that's it. That's what Las Vegas looks like in the middle of a pandemic. Even that won't make the lights go out. So, thanks for joining me and the Hags, two crazy, fat old white ladies in a hot rod in the middle of the night on the Las Vegas Strip for your viewing entertainment. So, for this one, I don't feel like saying all of the normal stuff, so I won't. But I will say this. I am happy to be doing this journey with all of you, and I was happy to be able to take you along with Hags and I to see this, and like everything else in Vegas, the show will go on, and we'll see you when the curtain goes up. So, for all of you planning on coming, we'll be ready. Bye-bye.